Wedding season is coming up, so I went on Temu to look for affordable wedding guest dresses. I set myself a little challenge. Every single dress had to be budget friendly and under 50 euros. And I have to find at least one that actually works. By the end of this try-on, I have to pick just one dress, the ultimate winner. But here's the real question. Can I find a cute wedding guest dress without breaking the bank? Let's find out. Alright, so here's what we have for the first dress. I paid 33 euros. I had the dress in light pink, but you can get this in several alpha colors as well. And I love that this one comes with one shoulder style and that it has this very uncomplicated front, but then the back has this cutout detail, which I think is a really nice touch. And I thought that this muted light pink color should work perfectly for spring wedding. Yeah, it looks very elegant, sophisticated, and feminine. I just really hope I'm gonna get this length. So let's see what showed up. So that's what showed up. I really love the color. All right, so here's a closer look of the fabric. Here's the inner lining. You know, it does feel like a thick and heavy dress, which is promising. Boom, here's a zipper. Should be easy peasy to put it on. I can already tell that this dress is not going to be see-through, which is already a huge pro. I'm excited to put it on and see how it looks. Let's do that. And that's how the dress looks on. What do we think? Here's the front, the side, and the back of the dress. I don't think that I would have been wrong if I had chosen a bigger size, because my twins, they just can't fit in. They cannot breathe. And that's the reason why I couldn't fully zip it up. But then again, if I would have gone with a bigger size, I don't want the dress to be too baggy in the waist area. So I really don't know. I feel like this could work perfectly for itty bitty titty comedy. But if you have bigger twins, then they cannot breathe, just so you know. The top fabric of the dress does feel a little bit static, so I just wonder if it goes away. I don't think that the dress is see-through. Shouldn't be, which is a huge pro. Another thing I really love about the dress is the length. However, upon checking myself in the mirror, I just noticed one thing. If I stand straight, the hem of the dress is a little bit wobbly. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like the dress does look like in the product pictures. There might be some color inaccuracy, but I feel like it depends on the lighting. Even though the dress does look a little bit longer on her, I consider myself to be quite tall, so I can't complain about the length. Yeah, it's just the hem of the dress that bugs me. But then there's nothing a tailor couldn't fix, right? Everything feels very easy breezy. My legs and everything else is breathing. And if it wasn't for the top, I would say that could be a comfortable dress. But then again, it's more like me problem, and I should have sized up, I guess. Yeah, and I really like the color of the dress. I feel like this could perfectly work for a spring wedding. And the dress itself, it doesn't feel nor look cheap. I feel like this is really not too bad. Ay, mamma mia. I just noticed that my hair is a little bit crazy today, but such thing as perfectionism does not exist in my life, and the show must go on. It is what it is. Oops, I need the phone. Alright, so here's what I have for the next dress. I paid 33 euros as well, which is a good price if the dress fits nice. I had the dress in color olive, but it comes in a couple of more colors as well. So this one has a slightly different style when it comes to the top, and I like that. I try to pick slightly different dresses when it comes to style, so that we have a bunch of different options. This one comes with a slit, and yeah, I love those ruffle sleeves. This is something a little bit different, but yet again, another dress that looks really elegant and spring wedding perfect. Let's see how it looks in real life. From the package, you can see that someone changed their mind and returned the dress. Looks like a slightly different color. Hold on, where are the... I'm confused. What? Hold on a second. No, that's a completely different dress. I don't know how to continue. This never happened to me before. I guess I've been lucky for quite a long time because I have never been scammed before by Temu. The audacity! They thought they are going to trick me into thinking that's the same dress. I guess this is the reason why it was returned by someone already. Anyway, we will still give it a shot. Even though that's a completely different dress. So it does have this different kind of top with built-in bra cups. It comes with adjustable straps, which is great, as well as the zipper. Here's a closer look of the inner lining. So this dress comes with a slit, quite alike to the dress that we were supposed to get. I really have no idea what to expect. Just because that I received something completely different doesn't mean it's going to be bad. So we are still going to give it a shot. Let's go ahead, put it on and see how this definitely different dress looks on. Even though it is a completely different dress, I don't hate it. It's not that bad. Or is that just me? Here's the front, the side, and the back of the dress. This must be the first time in my life then building bra cups work for my twins. And boom! I like that. Shocker. But of course I had to readjust the straps, and it's a good thing that this dress has such. Also, since the dress comes with the zipper in the back, it was really easy to zip it up. And that just tells that I have the dress in the right size. Even though the dress does have a little bit of excess fabric along the waist, it does make me want to keep my belly sucked in. Because it's popping today. What can you do? It's a humanish thing. I shouldn't be embarrassed, right? I don't feel like the slit is too high. It's an appropriate height. Of course, it depends on the destination and location, but it's alright. I most definitely don't wear the right underwear for this dress because I'm pretty sure you can see the lines of my panties popping out, but it's not see-through, is it? Also, I really like how stretchy, I don't know what is this pose I'm doing here. How stretchy and comfy the dress feels, and that's what you want, or at least I want, and this dress provides that. So I don't think that it's even worth looking at the product pictures because it's like day and night. I feel betrayed. This is not what I ordered. However, as I said, I don't hate it. Probably it's just the silhouette of the dress and the color that I'm still not sure about if this is for me. It does make me look a little bit washed out. No? Maybe if I had a tan on, it would look better? I don't know. Don't really know if that works for a wedding, but if I had the right accessories, then I could make it work. Tell me, what do you think, Ducks? Alright, so here's what we have for the next dress. I paid only 19 euros, but it's already sold out. Well, maybe they will get it back in stock. I was looking for a pink and floral dress, but I couldn't find any beside this one. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get it and see how it looks and feels. It doesn't seem to be a bad looking dress. I love florals, I love pinks, and I'm just gonna go ahead, get it, and try it. And that's what I did. Let's go ahead and see what showed up. Ruched. So it comes with a belt, very nice, I like that. Here's a closer look of this dress. It does have this floral print that I just simply adore. It also comes with these cute tiny little buttons on the front. Here's the inner lining of the dress. I feel like it should be a really easy breezy dress because it does feel very light. And the dress comes with a matching belt. So the only two concerns that I have for the dress, A, that it might be a little bit see-through, and B, I just hope I didn't miss with the size. Let's see if we are vibing together. And we better do, because I'm gonna kick your butt with this belt if we don't. All right, let's put it on. I think that this style is a little bit more mature than what I usually wear. But I like it! I really do! Anyway, here's the front, the side, and the back of the dress. Apparently, the dress has a zipper on the side, and I struggled to get into the dress. Mind-blowing, Justina. But I didn't break anything, and that's all that matters. When it comes to the top, I really like these tiny little buttons. They're so cute. It adds a little bit of sophistication, elegance, and classiness. I feel like this is so pretty and dainty. Also, in case anyone cares, here's a closer look of the back. I'm just simply obsessed with this floral print. I love this, actually adore. As well as the sleeves. Look at the sleeves. Everything when it comes to the top is mwah, chef's kiss. Now, another thing I really love about the dress is that it comes with the belt. Although there are no belt loops, so the belt itself feels a little bit loose. Even though I could just add some fashion tape and just make it stick. So probably not a big problem. So again, that's another dress that I have in size medium. Everything feels all right. I don't know how much see-through the dress is because it's a really thin fabric, but because it has this floral print on top, I don't really think that something is showing up. This time the inner lining is a little bit shorter, so I don't know if it looks all right or not, you tell me. But I don't think that's an issue, is it? Now, I've been checking the product pictures, I couldn't find any photo where the dress is on a human. There's no human this time. So I cannot really see how long the dress should be. Even if that's not the length the dress should be, I love it anyway. I feel like this is such a classy, elegant length. And everything else, I would say it does look more or less like in the product pictures. Yeah, I really love this pink color. This is such a sweet style of the dress. I really love this dress and the whole vibe it's giving. It's so feminine, romantic, dreamy. It's so floral and pink. It's so positive. It's giving good vibes. I like that. So definitely a thumbs up. That's a no-brainer. So here's what we have for the next dress. I paid almost 34 euros. I have the dress in light blue, although it also comes in lavender and peacock blue. So it looks like a very classy, elegant dress. I love the neckline. It also has interesting details on the shoulders. I feel like this is something a little bit different. I do like the top of the dress as well as the whole vibe. So yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's a completely different fabric. Well, at least from what I expected. So here's a closer look of the top. The dress also comes with built-in bra cups. We'll see if that's going to work. And a zipper in the back. And here's the inner lining of the dress, which is not the thickest fabric and it might be a little bit see-through. It does seem to be a long dress, which is great. So yeah, let's go ahead, pop it on and see how it looks. All right, and yet here comes the dress. What do we think? I think that I really love the color. Here's the front, the side, and the back of this dress. That's the dress that also comes with built-in bra cups. Even though I need some readjustment to lift them up a little bit, just so that they can fill those cups in properly, everything still feels quite alright. Now, when it comes to the shoulders, I feel like if the dress didn't have these things, that would be just a very simple dress. It changes the whole vibe, and they add something positive to the dress, no? I also like how the back looks. It has that really nice, sweet style. I like that. Now, when it comes to the bottom, it does have a slit, and I don't think that it's revealing too much. I think it's alright. So apparently the dress has this double mesh fabric on top. And just because of that, I don't believe that the dress is see-through. And I just adore the length. I think this is such a... Yeah, and I really adore the length. It's not just beautiful, it's really comfortable as well. And that just hits all the sweet spots. Wow, really? Now, when it comes to the product pictures, there are a few inaccuracies. So, the color might be slightly different, and the fabric, or maybe it's just me, but I thought that it's gonna be a glossy kind of fabric and not this tulle, however you call this. But now that I have this on, I don't mind that. Really. Looks like it does have the same top, the same back. Yeah, this detail on the shoulders also seem to be the same. And even the length, really, because if I wasn't wearing heels, I feel like it would be as long as it's shown online. But I don't want that. I really prefer the length that it is. There might be a few inaccuracies, but I'm not fussy about them. I feel like this could also work as a bridesmaid dress. It's ticking every box. I just realized it's giving Cinderella vibes. Really? Where's my fairy godmother? Fairy godmother! Where are you hiding? And I really think that this dress is appropriate for spring-summer wedding. So cute. Alright, last but not least, and I hope it's gonna be a good one. Please check your network connection. Okay, we have it working. For a second. I did pay for the bill, you know. Okay, Wi-Fi is on. I'm back. So last but not least, we have this ultra long dress in all of its glory. I hope that's what we are going to get. So this must be the most expensive dress, which is 35 euros. I have the dress in light purple, although it also comes in a couple of more colors as well. So as for the last dress, I'm hoping it to be a good one. As always, it looks very nice, polished, photoshopped in the product pictures, and it always feels like a gamble because you never know what's going to show up. Let's see what we are going to deal with. The moment of truth. Ay caramba! I like what I see. So far so good. I have positive vibes. That's good. Here's a closer look of the dress. And I really love the... And I really love the fabric. I like the texture. It feels nice. I didn't know that this one comes with tiny little silver sparkles on it. This is cute. And built-in bra cups. So we will see if they are going to work, as well as adjustable straps. And here's the back of the dress. So it does have this lace, which I think is a really sweet touch, as well as the zipper. Should be easy to put it on. I love how heavy the dress feels. The top is covered in this fabric, which looks really nice. Here's the inner lining of the dress. And yeah, it doesn't seem like this one has any slits, which is nice. Something a little bit different. Here's the dress. Let's go ahead, put it on, and I'm just gonna hope that it's gonna look nice. It's official. I'm in love. This dress came out of the bag and into my heart.
A few minutes later.
Here's the front, the side, and the back of the dress. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. That's another dress that comes with built-in bra cups. And you know what I'm gonna tell you? They do fit my twins very nicely. No adjustments are needed. It's like it was made for them. Wow. So it does come with adjustable straps, and as always, that's a huge pro because sometimes you do need to readjust the chest. Even though I didn't have to do anything this time, I really like it that the dress has this pleated fabric and that it also comes with these tiny little sparkles on it. At least with the lighting in this room, I don't believe that the dress is see-through. I'll have to check that later in the video, but I don't think it is. So I almost forgot to mention, but that's another dress that I have in size medium. Nothing changes, and I must say it fits me like a glove. There are a few inaccuracies, maybe the fabric, but it's still questionable, and the color. Mine is a little bit more vibrant. I feel like she has a lighter, light purple color. But I prefer this one because if it was any lighter, I'm afraid it would make me look a little bit washed out. So I do like it as it is. Everything seems to be the same. Wow. Even though I do prefer dresses with slits, sometimes, this time, it's not the case. I do like it as it is, and there's not a single thing I would change about it. So, after trying all of the dresses, I must say that this must be the ultimate winner. Can I get some commotion for the dress? She's just flawless from top to hem. And I guess this is just proof that you can sometimes find affordable and beautiful dresses. You just need to look. Alright, so what do we think about the dresses? Do you agree with what I nominated to be the best dress? If not, which one do you think is the best, if any? As always, in case you spotted the dress that you like, I will try to link them all down below. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe, give me love. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Take care.